Downhill, bud. Downhill. Ding, ding, ding,
I'll
ding,
get out of your
ding.
way, okay?
Out of the way, Grandma.
In the way.
Go up the hill. Boo, can you get a passenger on? Uh-oh.
Whoopsie daisy. Just a little boo-boo. Yeah, very good picking them back up, buddy. Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding. Do you want to put the passenger on? Can he ride?
Look at that. What a good boy.
You can put him, there we go. Maybe you can turn him sideways. Can Daddy help? No, Daddy help? Here, watch me. Here, let's go ding, ding, ding. And then he goes here.
There he is, buddy. He's in the coal car.
Can I take a ride?
Downhill.
Uh-oh. It's okay. Wyatt, fix.
You can take him all the way back around. What a very smart little boy. Excellent problem solving, Boo.
Uh-oh.
Down the hill. Jugga, 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 jugga. Choo, choo.
Uh-oh.
You've got a long train.
I don't know that all the magnets are facing the right way.
Bud, can you put
The
a
engine
tree?
magnet is
It's not.
stronger in the front than it is in the back.
No tree? Okay.
That's what I think he can,
No
can do
trees.
when he turns it around.
No trees. It's all connected?
And with the extra freight car, I think passenger car.
Uh-oh.
Oopsie daisy.
You got it? Here. Daddy gets out of your way.
Does Wyatt want help or does Wyatt do it by himself? Big choo-choo train.
Here you go.
I can't get past you, Daddy. Good job, Wyatt. Good job. Try turning it around, sweetie.
Yeah.
There you go.
You gonna put the man back in? Back in. I don't think this person will fit. Let's get you some old men. Maybe they'll fit. Or you know what you could do? You could put your cool car in there. No cool car. Okay.
No, thank you, Daddy.
There you go. Sugar, 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 sugar. Sugar, sugar.
Down the hill. We don't have any stop signs on our railroad.
Here you go. Push, push, push. There he goes.
Down he goes.
Back up.
Around the bend. Choo choo.
You have one
Ding ding ding
long
ding ding
train.
ding 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 ding. Down the hill. Oh, nope. Back up the hill. Round the corner.
Up on the other.
Downhill. Yay!
Uh-oh, he fell apart.
Good job, Wyatt. Good job all the way around. Back up the hill. Mommy and Daddy and Grandma are so proud of you, Goofpot. All the way around. Look at that. Got a regular circuit going.
Uh-oh.
Look at you go, Goofpot.
Your engineer is directing that train.
Engineer.
Here.
Engineer.
Here. See if Dad can get you other people to put in.
That's the engine.
Engine.
And what's that top thing? Where does the steam come out?
No. Steam. Steam is hot. Very hot. Hot. Steam engine. That's right. Ding, 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 says the bell.